Oh man, it's the grab bag.
Okay, I know this one's gonna be one of my weirder videos, but there's a big thing going on the internet right now where people are fighting over the price of Thanksgiving because a news article said that you can have a Thanksgiving dinner for a family of 10 for $58. Yeah, $58. So I wanted to see, using the prices in my area, if we could actually make it for $58. Let's start with the turkey. One, turkey is cheaper than ham in my area. Right now, ham is about $1.99 to $2.50 a pound, whereas a turkey is 88 cents a pound. So we're going to need probably a 12-pound turkey because a lot of the weight comes from bones. So 88 cents times 12 is $10.56. Now, if you're like me, you love some cranberry sauce, and my personal preference is the jellied one that doesn't actually have the chunks of fruit in it. And this Ocean Spray one is $1.98 a can, and most of the time, a single can should be good for 10 people because not that many people will eat the entire thing. So, $1.98. Next, we need our next side, which we're going to go with corn. Everybody loves corn, but we're going to need to go up a size. We're going to need to get the family size. And what is the price of a family size can of corn? If we go with On Brand, it'll be a little more expensive, so we're going to go with the Walmart brand to make it a little cheaper. $1.16. Besides turkey, there is one other major important food that goes with Thanksgiving dinner, and that's mashed potatoes. But because we're doing the budget saving version, we are not going to be using real mashed potatoes, but we're going to be using instant mashed potatoes. And we're going to need quite a bit. It's going to be a lot more than just one single can or one single thing of it. We're going to need 2 or 3 boxes. We'll go with 2. 2 should be good. But let's get the price of 2. So the original flavor is $1.25 a box, so we need 2. That is $2.50. Next, we have to look at the gravy. We're going to be using instant gravy pouches, not the bottled pre-made gravy, because that is cheaper. So we're going to need 2 packs of the gravy, so we have enough for the mashed potatoes and for the turkey. At $1.22 a packet, that means it comes to $2.44. So we have to add another $2.44 to our current total. Let's add a little bit more carbs into our current mix by having biscuits. Now, you would normally see maybe some dinner rolls, but since we're trying to go with cheap, we're going to go with some biscuits. And because there are 10 people, we probably are going to want to make 2 containers to have 16 biscuits. So some people will have 2, but if you have little kids, maybe they'll just have 1 biscuit. At $2.87, this comes to one of the most expensive products for the meal, meaning that it is $5.74 for everyone to get a biscuit. So if we do a bare bones Thanksgiving dinner, that brings our total to $24.38, which means you could feed 10 people without it being a feast for $24.38, which isn't bad. Granted, most of us are going to want to use real potatoes. We're going to want to use real, like, higher quality rolls. We're going to want to probably make our own gravy, or buy the pre-made ones. We're probably going to get a pie or 2 or make a homemade pie. So the actual price could be much higher if you were to go and not have it bare bones. That being said, I hope everyone has a fantastic Thanksgiving, and I will catch you guys next time.